In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the process of integrating your accounting software with Gas Engineer software. Our software integrates with 3 different accounting software providers: Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage. The setup process is the same for all 3. Note that you will need access to a relevant plan on the accounting software and the Gas Engineer Software Pro plan to enable these integrations. To start, log into the web portal. Next, click the settings icon in the top right corner next to your name. Then, click on Manage under Integration Settings. Click on Connect to Xero, Sage, or QuickBooks depending on the one you're using. In this example, we'll be using Xero. You'll then be redirected to the accounting software and the window will pop up with the relevant software. Log in and allow Gas Engineer software access. After this, you'll be redirected back to Gas Engineer software. A window will pop up with a few options. You can select the bank account to use, what account code you want it to go to, and check the boxes to sync your customer and invoices. Go ahead and save those changes. If you've chosen Xero, then a pop-up will appear asking if you want to sync customers from Xero to Gas Engineer software. If you select yes, this will now happen in the background and you can click OK to close the windows. And that's it. From this point, any customer, invoice or payments that are edited or created will sync across to your accounting package, making bookkeeping effortless and 100% accurate. You probably have some customer data in your accounting package that you'd like to import into Gas Engineer software. To do that, simply head to your Customers page. Click on Actions, and then Import from QuickBooks, Sage, or Xero. This action will happen in the background, meaning you can continue to use the app as normal. You'll get notified when the sync is complete. It's worth noting that only Xero allows automatic two-way syncing. In other words, all integrations will sync customers' invoices and payments across from Gas Engineer software, but only Xero will automatically sync changes to your Gas Engineer software account. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with our customer support team at 0207 129 7058 or support@gasengineersoftware.co.uk. Thanks for watching and enjoy easier bookkeeping with Gas Engineer software.